What should I know about a first offense OVI in Ohio? I'm Shawn Dominy. I'm an Ohio OVI lawyer, and this video is going to answer that question. There are a couple of things you should know first about a first offense in Ohio. One is the potential consequences, and the other is what to expect in court. With regard to the potential sentence, there is some mandatory sentencing and there is some discretionary sentencing. For example, if you plead guilty to a first offense OVI, there is a driver's license suspension. It's a minimum of 1 year and a maximum of 3 years. There are some exceptions to that, but those are the general minimums and maximums. There's a minimum jail sentence of 3 days and a maximum jail sentence of 6 months. There are some other penalties which can also be assessed, such as a fine, 6 points on your license, and a reinstatement fee from the Bureau of Motor Vehicles. The second thing to think about is what to expect in court. When you go to court for the first time, in all likelihood, the prosecutor is not going to do any negotiating. Instead, your options are going to be plead guilty, plead not guilty, or plead no contest. If you plead guilty or no contest, you will likely be sentenced and the case in court will be done. You'll have to serve the sentence, but you'll be done in court, which means you won't be evaluating the case, you won't be reviewing the evidence against you, and you won't be presenting a defense. So that's something to keep in mind. If you choose to plead not guilty, then the case won't be finished at the first court appearance, and instead you'll have additional court appearances. You will have the opportunity to review the evidence, evaluate the case, and present a defense. So before you go to that first court appearance, there are 3 questions that I think you should answer. One is, do I want to plead guilty or do I want to contest it? The second is, should I hire a lawyer? And the third is, which lawyer should I hire? As you are educating yourself about OVI and all its potential consequences and thinking through those decisions you need to make, information is very valuable. There are additional videos on the YouTube channel and on my website, and that website also contains dozens of pages of information about OVI topics. Also on the website is a book which you can download for free, so you have a lot of information in one concise resource. So as you're educating yourself, I hope that you find all of these resources are helpful.